Still stuck figuring out where to start in tech? Or maybe you already started, but now you're wondering which path to follow. You've seen the cert videos, you have heard the career advice, but something still feels off. Here's the truth that no one tells you. It's not about what is trending, it's about what fits you. Today, I'm gonna break down the exact framework that I use to help hundreds, including myself, to find the perfect place in tech. Hey, I'm JR, IT professional and career mentor. And this is part 2 of Choose Your IT Specialty series. If you missed part 1, just go check that one out first. It sets up everything that we are about to cover. Now, if you're finally ready to get some direction, let's break down what I call the Tech Type Framework, or TTF for short. Now, tech is full of options: help desk, networking, cybersecurity, project management, cloud, data, and more. But here's the problem. When you chase paths based on hype or what pays the most, you end up misaligned, frustrated, unmotivated, or worse, burning out. The TTF flips that around. It starts with you and who you are, then maps that out for a tech role or path that actually matches your strength and your mindset. A true environment that fits you. So how does it work? The Tech Type Framework is built around 3 core pillars. These are your personality type. Are you analytical, social, creative, or just procedural? This tells you how you think, process problems, and work through challenges. Your interest and passion. You love building things, or maybe just breaking things to see how it works and test them out. Or maybe you like securing things or just leading teams. This reveals what fuels you, the kind of work that gets you excited of logging in every day. Work style preference. Maybe you thrive working by yourself. Do you need structure or flexibility? This shapes how you operate on a day by day. Most people just skip this entirely and just go straight to cert because that's just what everybody says to do. And yes, certs, tools, and skills, they matter. But here's the thing, they come later. This comes first. Figuring out where you fit. This way you don't waste time, money, energy, and all that just heading the wrong direction. Now, once you know your 3 pillars, you're gonna fall into one of these 4 tech types. The builder, creative, curious. You love building things, whether it's coding a tool, scripting a solution, or designing a cloud system. You just find joy in creating. You think there has to be a better way. You enjoy solving problems with logic and tools. If you are like this, you are perfect for a role like developer, cloud engineer, or system admin. This matters because you turn ideas into real solutions that people use every day. Number 2, the breaker, analytical, bold. You're the one asking, why this fails? You love uncovering flaws, solving complex puzzles, and stressing systems. You love testing boundaries, and you are like, what happens if Well, perfect roles for those folks will be pen testing, SOC Analyst, red teamers, something like that. And this matters because you're like the digital detective, finding vulnerabilities before the attackers do. Number 3, the protector, vigilant, responsible. These are for those who are very attentive and very diligent in what they do. You care about safety, policies, and preventing problems before they start. You're the person keeping systems and people protected. You value consistency, accuracy, and long-term planning. Some roles for these people are GRC analyst, risk manager, blue team security, and it matters because you're the safety net that companies rely on when everything is on the line. The one they sleep better because of. The enabler, people first and organized. This is for those extroverts or those that are very organized and have always a system in place. You enjoy helping people, leading teams, and making systems better through communication. You are the bridge between tech and people. You thrive in environments where collaboration and clear structures are key. Some of the paths and roles be IT manager, project manager, tech trainer, and it matters because you're the glue holding together people and processes, making sure that the mission actually gets done. Now, you might already know who you are or maybe feel drawn to one of these, but let's make it official. I created a free tech type quiz The link is gonna be below. It takes under 5 minutes to complete, and it will give you your type, your path and role recommendation, suggested certs, learning paths, all that good stuff to get you something that fits you. And once you know your tech type, you can build your plan of how you naturally operate. If you're a breaker, don't waste time getting this low-level cert. Just get the fundamentals, then jump into network and security. If you're an enabler, get the fundamentals and then think about certifications like ITIL, Project Plus, PMP, or even Business Analyst. Things that will help you lead from day one. Use your type to guide which certs make sense, which entry-level roles to apply for, how to build your resume and learning plan. Now, one common theme, no matter the type that you are, is start with the fundamentals. If you don't understand the basic, tech might not be the best fit. But don't worry, I got you. I'm dropping a Tech 101 series right here on this channel. It's going to teach you the foundation with simple, clear, and no jargon. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, that like, all that good stuff, because it's coming out soon. Now, this framework was built out of need. So many people have asked me how to start, how to pivot, and I've been there too. And nobody told me how to figure out what actually fit me. I just have to went through the motions and learn. So don't be like that. I'm making this easier for you. Don't get stuck. So take that quiz down below. Now, after you take the quiz, do me a favor, drop a comment below and tell me, what type are you? I'll use for price. I will answer every comment. Also, let me know if you got any other questions that I can answer. If you want real support, I also have a Discord community. You can check it. I'm going to leave everything down in the description and the comments below. Like, sub, hit that bell, all that good stuff if you haven't already. And remember, you don't need to master everything. You just need a path that fits how you are wired. See you in the next one. JR out.